What is up, my friends? Welcome back to the channel. So I got a little life hack for you in today's video. Basically, I purchased this tube of toothpaste right here at the dollar store here in town, the Dollar General actually. It was $1.09 after tax. I purchased it. It's Colgate baking soda and peroxide whitening. And this is a little life hack. I'm skeptical, but I want to try it out, and then I might do a little follow-up video, tell y'all if it really works or not. Basically, you get your tube of toothpaste right here. We're going to poke holes in it with a safety pin. We're going to squeeze it. It's going to start to ooze out both sides. We're going to drop it in the toilet tank and leave it there, and supposedly over time that toothpaste oozes into the water and makes your toilet water fresher and smell better. So here we go. Let's try it out. Got our tube. Get our safety pin. Hole, 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 hole. We'll just poke holes around it. How does that sound? Here and here and here and here and here. And then what we do is we kind of squeeze it and it should start to ooze out. Right, oozing out, just like that. Now what we do is we drop this down in the water, and like I said, over time that's supposed to ooze out into the water and just make the toilet smell better. I'm skeptical though, because I don't know how the toothpaste is going to get out of that tube anymore. Once, the toothpaste that's already on the outside of the tube gets into the water, how are you going to get the rest of the toothpaste out of the tube? Except put your hand down there from time to time and give it some squeezes. That's the only thing I can come up with. So I'm going to test this. I may do a follow-up video in the weeks to come to see if this really works and let y'all know. So give it a try. With that being said, if you want to know why you should wear a sock on your hand, click the video on the screen now, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.